This short guide explains how to buy shares of Porvair Plc. Porvair is a UK filtration and separation specialist that trades on the LSE plc under the ticker PRV.L. And this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker PRV.L to find Porvair Plc. Check the exchange and company name in the results to locate the correct LSE listing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Verify the company name and the PRV.L ticker to confirm you have the correct asset. Click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a market order when trading resumes. And if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the video description if you want to follow the exact walkthrough.